Hi guys! Mag-sightseeing ta today because it's Holy Week. Guys! Ari na lang ko guys kay layo na kayo ang lapu-lapu. Ay, tas dool. Yun lang guys. Story time guys. I supposed to have appointment or going to a friend's place. They have this resort there and the problem is I need to commute. But commuting right now when it's holiday seasons, I forgot there's no, it's so hard to go out because you need to have more passenger, they'll gonna wait and then dugay pa jud ka kasakay, dugay and my problem is my place is going from the south going to the north and it's so hard for me to go if late na. Maybe I cannot go home and it's so hard to ride a bus. So I just dropped by here. There is a beach. So pabugnaw sa tadiri guys and watch the waves of the ocean. So mo ni siya guys. So next time maybe I'm gonna go here for a swimming but pabugnaw lang ta guys because it's so hot in the house. So you wanna see here and come by if ever you just near the place or if you want to travel from your house going there in Tungkop, Minglanilla. So nindot siya guys. This is not really that crowded and the entrance fee is still affordable. It's 5 pesos in every person. So ari lang sa ta guys, magslingkod-lingkod sa ta dire and pa-video and picture pictorials. So this is my outfit for today. It's so hot, so I'll wear this sleeveless and a short